Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. So, checking ng energy ni person mo this week. And syempre, titingnan din natin kung ano ba ang emosyon niya for you. Okay? And, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again po, kung meron po kayong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga charms. Okay, so kanina nag-cleanse ako. Okay, hindi masama mag-cleanse everyday. Okay? Anyway, so unahin natin yung ating mga protection from evil eye. Okay, yes, meron tayong mga pang-protection. Okay, alam nyo naman, yung iba sa inyo siguro, alam nyo naman ang mga evil eye na yan. Minsan, madalas kasi pwedeng nababasa nyo, no, sa FB, mga ganyan. Okay, so itinataboy natin yon. Okay, may pang-protection tayo doon. So, ito, yung 4 na yan. Okay, so 4. Meron tayong 2 sample ng bracelet, isang adjustable, and isa itong garterize natin. Okay po. Yung ring natin, adjustable rin po yan. So, nothing to worry pagdating po sa sizes. And, yung ating necklace, this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic. Okay, meron din po itong extender. Okay, para mas ma-adjust ninyo yung length ng chain. Kung gusto nyo palitan yung chain, wala namang problem po. Basta ito, napaka-important. Okay, so lahat po ito is unisex. Okay, so may mga white sage pang natira. Okay, so for protection po yun mula sa mga nagbabato sa atin ng mga evil eye. Okay, so hindi natin yan masasabi kung sino bang nagbabato sa'yo. Maganda is meron kang protection. Okay, hindi natin para alamin kung sino ba yung mga yan. So next, yung ating mga charms. So unahin natin to, our 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. So with citrine stone. Okay, para magnet ka rin. Okay, pagdating po sa pamimera, hindi lang po sa love. Okay, so mas matindi to. Pagdating sa money, parang inuuna talaga niya money para dun ka ma-focus. Okay, kasi medyo pagdating sa love, medyo maraming iba sa inyo, maraming attachments pa. Okay, so kapag na-focus kayo sa money, maaalis yung blockage. Okay, maalis yung blockage kung ano man ang meron doon sa love. Okay, ganun po medyo ayun ang nakikita kong tactics nitong ating 2-in-1 love and money. So mapapansin mo, dadami yung customers mo, basta pag-focusin ka muna nito sa pamemera mo. Okay, so yun ang meron dito kay love and money bracelet. Kung lalaki ka, gusto mo to, pwede mo naman siyang ilagay sa red pouch, wala naman problem kasi charm naman to. Okay, so hindi naman nakita mong bracelet is bracelet lang, no. Okay, this is a charm. So next is yung ating granter. So again, ang ating granter necklace is unisex and made to order po. So ano ba ang job description ng ating granter? So si granter po ang taga-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest. No downtime kung deserve mo yung minamanifest mo. Okay? And no downtime din kung wala kang blockages. Okay? So, kung may blockages ka, dapat matanggal yun. Okay? So, madalas, ang pangtanggal is ito. Kaya, minsan, si client, sabihin, pagsabayin ko na po ito, wala namang problem doon. Okay? So, maganda yun magandang idea rin yun kasi. Okay, yung aalisin mo yung blockage mo para pumasok yung mga minamanifest mo para i-grant niya. And syempre, per week, meron kang matatanggap from granter na surprise, good surprises. Okay po, so at least twice per week. Oo. So, next is yung ating cord cut. So, ito yung kanina. Si cord cut po, job description ni cord cut is alisin yung blockages. Okay? alisin yung mga nagbibigay sa'yo ng alat. Alisin ang mga nagbibigay sa'yo ng MALAS. Sa buhay mo, sa bahay, sa business. Okay? So, malinaw po. And again, yung ating cleansing kit, cleansing and charging. Okay? Kit ng ating mga charm is available. So, ang laman po niya ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, ito yung sample ng ating selenite stick. Okay? So, yan po. Yeah. Itatabi nyo lang dito yung inyong charm overnight. Okay? And samahan nyo po nung pagka-cleanse gamit yung white sage. Okay? So, hindi ko pinapakalman yung yung white sage para sa mga client. So, ako nag-provide na lang ako para sa akin. Oo. Okay? So, yun po ha. So, yeah. Kung may tanong pa, message na lang po. Okay? So, there. So, tayo ay mag-start. Check natin yung energy, emotion ni person mo this week pagdating sa'yo. Unahin natin ang mga air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Sino tong taong to? Check natin ang kanyang emotion and energy. Who is this? At Two of Wands. Pwedeng malayo siya ngayon sa'yo. Okay. Some of them ay paghihintay. I don't know kung ikaw yung naghihintay or sila. Okay. Pwedeng fire sign. Itong taong to naghihintay na magkaroon kayo ng pagkakaayos. Air sign. Pwede may nangyaring ang conflict sa inyo. Yeah, the Two of Swords. Pwedeng ikaw, iniiwasan mo siya ngayon or hindi mo nire-replyan or tahimik ka ngayon pagdating sa situation. Yeah, some of them talagang naghihintay sa'yo, waiting, ganyan. Pero, yun nga, wala rin silang ginagawa. No? Wala silang ginagawa. So, angel number 2, or maybe number 2 could be significant. Let's see. What is their emotion right now? So, it could be a fire sign to Leo, Aries, and Sagittarius. Okay. Emotion ni person. Nakita ko yung 7 of Cups kanina. Na naka-reverse. Gusto nito na bumalik. So, ano emotion niya for you, air sign? Yeah, the 3 of Cups. So, energy rin ang reconciliation. Okay? Itong taong to, hindi siya nagiging totoo ngayon sa kanya, sa sarili niya. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Hindi siya nagiging totoo sa emosyon niya sa'yo ngayon. Okay? May mga panghihinayang to. Burden. Yeah, again, the person is just waiting, expecting a lot, big, a lot, big expectations, a lot of expectations, waiting, pagdating sa'yo, okay? May pagsisisi to, minsan nagagalit to sa sarili niya, I think. Kasi pwedeng yun nga, hindi nga siya nagawa ng way, kung paano gusto nga niya makipag-ayos. Okay, could be a Libra. Some of you, ikaw itong parang galit sa kanya and alam niya na parang wala siyang magagawa sa'yo. Oo, parang ganyan. Or hindi niya alam kung paano nga makikipag-usap sa'yo or paano mo siya pakikinggan. Parang ganon. So, yeah. They're sad. Blaming themselves. Okay? Gusto nito ng pagkakaayos. Hindi niya lang alam paano. Okay po. So, next. Who else for our air signs? Who else? Air signs. Ooh. Oh. Air signs. Who is this? Who is this? Air signs. The 4 of Swords in reversed. Some of you, they're contacting you right now. They're messaging you. May nangyaring no contact sa inyo actually. Some of you. Yeah. The Knight of Cups universe. Yun nga lang, they're inconsistent. They're too, inconsistent. O, diba? The Seven of Cups na naka-reverse. Nagpakita muli. Oo. So, itong taong to, air sign, siya yung parang lumubog lumitaw. Inconsistent. Okay? Pagka-moody, maya-maya gusto ka, maya-maya wala. Maya-maya gusto kang kausapin, maya-maya ayaw naman. Okay? Acting aloof. Meron ako naririnig, they're acting aloof. Indecisive. Energy ng Two of Swords, energy of Two of Wands, mga ganong bagay. So, pwedeng rocky and shaky yung connection nyo ng taong to. Could be an air sign, fellow air sign, and a water sign. So, anong emosyon niya ngayon sa'yo? Yung iba sa inyo, dadagdag ko lang. Yung iba sa inyo, may chance na pwedeng nag-reach out muli itong taong to, pero hindi mo makitaan ng intention or consistent ba, parang ganyan. Okay? They're moody. Emosyon niya ngayong week. The Three of Wands. Andun yung paghihintayin ka, or I don't know, parang may paghihintay. Ano bang meron dito? Sana walang iba. The Queen of Cups. Somebody else. Yeah, could be somebody else. The Knight of Swords. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Some of them, they're entertaining other people, other connection, other energy. Okay, kaya po hindi consistent ang taong to. Yeah. Kung ano man ang issue nyo, okay? Lalo na kung may third party na na-involve, pwedeng hindi pa rin totally tapos yon. Specific po ito, ha? Okay, yung mga binabanggit ko. Anyway, so their emotion is sabihin nating gusto ng taong to mag-invest ka pa rin sa kanya. Okay? So, ang gagawin nito is totally sabihin nating parang yun nga, hindi maging consistent sa'yo. Parang gusto nito pahabol ka. Or I mean, magpapahabol siya. Gusto niya habulin mo siya. Mga ganyan. Okay? Hindi siya magiging open, hindi siya magiging transparent sa pagbabalik na yan. Kasi yan, nakikita ko pwedeng bumabalik tong taong to sa'yo. Okay? Emotion, the Queen of Cups universe, this is conditional. Okay? It's like conditional. Iba sa inyo, sana hindi nyo to pinabalik. Okay? Ano pa to utang na loob mo pa to. Kung sakali man. Okay? Hindi ko naman kasi gusto na bumalik pinapabalik mo lang ako. Parang ganon. So, specific yun. Channeled message. So, parang, okay, bahala ka, pinabalik mo ako, sabi ko naman sa'yo, parang, hindi ko naman to gusto na, or what. Pwede, the benefits, the Queen of Cups universe is somebody who sabihin nating parang, selfish. Okay? So, yeah. So, pwedeng, mararamdaman mo dun sa tao, is, parang maghahabol. Kasi parang biniblame ka pa nito, it's like, utang na loob to Parang ganyan. Kasi bumalik ako sa'yo. Parang ganun. Toxic. What? So, next. Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sag. So, who is this person? Fire signs. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Who is this person? And let's check their emotion. So, 10 of Swords. So, may nangyaring endings. Could be an air sign. So, pwedeng binackstab ka ng maraming beses na nitong taong to. The 10 of Swords. May mga endings na nangyari or pwedeng separated kayo sa isa't isa ngayon. Yeah, you're healing from this. You're healing from them. Could be an aqua. Yeah, the Nine of Cups. Healing energy, death, Tower. Now, sabihin nating marami kang na-experience na hindi maganda sa taong to in general. Pero marami ka ring natutunan from them. This could be a strong connection, by the way. Yeah. Let's see. Anong emotion niya for you right now? Emotion. The Hanged Man. You're in their mind. Iniisip ka niya. Or iisipan ka nito madalas itong next na week. Okay? Yan, 10 of Cups. Andun yung energy word na ang tawag doon, reminisce. This person is reminiscing the good times, the good old times with you. Parang ganyan. Okay? So, kung meron kayong anak nito, nagtatangka at nagpaplano ito. Kasi si Hanged Man nagpaplano to eh. Pwedeng nag-iisip. Okay? Pagdating sa family, pagdating sa mga anak, mga ganyan. Stuck itong taong to pagdating sa'yo, sa pag-iisip sa'yo, lalo na kung may mga anak kayo nga. Yeah. Gusto niya na magkaroon ng pagkakaayos. This person wants to step up. Sa maniwala at kahit sa hindi. Yun nga lang, ang nakikita ko, you're still recovering. Okay, doon sa kung anumang trauma na inaibigay nitong taong to. You're healing actually. Ito fire signs, may nakita ko ditong energy na somebody's admiring you. Kung hindi mo siya napapansin, parang ano yun, pain, sakit. Okay? Kasi hindi mo siya napapansin. This is channeled. Yeah. Pwedeng hindi mo pa ito nakaka-connect. Iba sa inyo. And by next week, may chance na talagang nasa utak ka lang niya, nasa isip ka lang niya, bumubuo o ng mga, kung ano man, mga scenario, like fake scenarios, I don't know. Or para silang ano eh, ang tawag doon, nagde-daydream. Okay, daydreaming na kasama ka nila, may pamilya na kayo, mga ganyang bagay. I think the person is really into you, I think. Yeah. So we have here Pisces, Aqua, Water, and Air. Okay. Yeah, the Six of Cups. They miss you. This person misses you. Okay. So what else? Who else? Or fire signs. Who else is thinking? Who else? The person ng mga fire signs. Their emotion for you this week. Fire signs. Who is this? The Eight of Swords in reversed. Nirelease mo tong taong to or nirelease ka. The Eight of Swords in reversed. Yeah, the Hermit in reversed. Could be a Virgo. Some of you, hinahanap-hanap mo to. Or vice versa. The Lovers. Hinahanap-hanap mo pa rin yung energy. Ang nakikita ko kasi is parang wala kang dahilan or wala kang mahanap na rason paano mo to maaalisan. Yeah. Hindi mo malaman paano ka aalis or pwedeng siya rin, ganun. This is a strong connection. There's attachments here. So, ano emosyon niya? Madalas mang ghost to. Madalas siya mang ghost. Okay. The King of Cups in reverse. Yeah. Emotion. Nakatago. The Ten of Wands in reverse. The Star in reverse. The Two of Swords. They are trying na i-avoid ka, pero emotionally, attached pa rin tong taong to. Okay? So, totoo lang, gusto na nitong, para silang isasabog na, hindi nila malaman kung paano gagawin sa connection na to. Pwedeng hindi kayo magkausap ito ngayon, ha? Walang connection or walang contact. Yeah, sasabog na. The Tower. Yeah, they want this. Gusto nila na maayos to. Marami silang gustong i-express, emosyon, kung ano man. Kasi parang ito yung nagpapabigat sa sitwasyon eh. Kung hindi kayo magkausap, kung hindi kayo magka-connect. Okay? Hindi sila magpapakita ng softness. Hindi nila papakita yung soft side nila, even though meron silang soft side. Para silang, no, ako yung strong dito. Hindi ko ipapakita yon. Ayoko ipakita sa'yo na ako ay nasa tower moment. Malungkot, itong taong to, fire sign. They want this. Andun na nga yung nagiging impatient na sila. Okay, nagiging impatient. Hindi na alam kung anong gagawin. Paano i-resolve itong kung anong meron sa inyo. Could be separation or no contact or kung ano man meron. The issue. So, gulong-gulo. Gusto nang gumawa ng aksyon ng tao. Ayaw lang kasi pwedeng madadali yung ego at pride nung, pride niya, mga ganyang bagay-bagay. And ayaw niya magmukhang soft. Okay? So, there. Next, water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So, again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Water signs. Oops. Who is this? Who is this? Water signs. Who is this person? Who is this person? Water signs. The Queen of Cups. Somebody na talaga namang mabait. Okay? Hindi madamot. The Six of Cups in reversed. This could be your energy, water signs. Some of you, sabihin nating unconditional ang ginawa mo sa taong to, pero they dropped you. Iniwan ka. Naging bitter ka. Yeah. Could be an earth sign. Pwedeng ni-let go ka. Pwedeng naging sabihin nating lahat ginawa mo for this one. Pero nagawa ka pa rin iwan. So now you're bitter. Hindi po ako bitter. Weh. Hehe. So let's see. Could be a fellow water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So what is their emotion right now? What is their emotion? Iwan ka nito, water sign. Okay, the Hierophant in reversed. Some of them, meron silang mga commitment issues. Okay, they're non-committal. I think the person is not ready for this. Oh, water sign. This is a strong connection. Hindi niya kinaya. Hindi niya to kinaya. Yeah, the Six of Coins. Hindi niya, hindi niya kinaya tong connection na to. Maybe they also felt a strong connection. Pero parang andun yung natakot siya, nabahagang buntot. Hindi sila naging ready dito sa connection na to. Pero yeah, andun pa rin. Attached pa rin siya sa'yo actually. Attached pa rin to. Nararamdaman pa rin. I think nandito yung energy ng mirrored. Okay, mirroring effect. Mirroring. Kung anong meron ka sa kanya, yun din ang meron sa'yo. Parang ganyan. Kung anong naramdaman mo sa kanya, yun din ang naramdaman niya sa'yo. Yeah, the Four of Cups. A lot of emotion, a lot of water sign, a lot of cups. Oh, the Justice in reverse. Could be imbalance pagdating sa situation. Injustice for some of you. Andun yung energy na parang kahit ayaw niya tong alisan, kailangan. This is sad. You're the one that got away. You're the one that got away. They're sad, thinking of you. Hindi magawa ng taong to na magsaya actually. Kung magsaya man, andun ka pa rin sa utak niya. So, hindi na nagagawa talaga na totally magsaya. Okay? Ramdam na ramdam pa rin niya. Strong connection nga, sabi ko. Okay? So, ginawa mo lahat for this one. So, marami siyang panghihinayang ngayon. Iniwan ka. Kahit ayaw niya. Nanghihinayang siya. Hindi siya ready. Yung iba kasi dito, hindi ko isasantabi na pwedeng meron kang kakonek or pwedeng siya yung may kakonek. So, kailangan lang gawin talaga na umalis sa connection na to kasi hindi tama. Nandun yung nakukonsensya, yung person, pero gusto niya to, nanghihinayang siya, mga ganyang bagay. Ush. Okay, so next, let's see. Who else? Who else? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Your person, let's see and let's check your person's emotion this week for you. Water signs. Who is this? The Magician. Could be a Virgo. They have all the tools. I'm hearing. Some of them, they want to connect. They want to communicate with you. So, let's see. What's with that Magician? Hindi malayo na pwedeng nakikipag-usap to ngayon sa'yo. Okay? Hindi kasi sinabing titingnan natin yung emosyon, ganito, ganyan. Hindi naman lahat is pwedeng meron ng separation or nasa separation. Okay? Pwedeng kakonect mo pa rin to. Na ganyang bagay. So, some of you, meron kayong connection itong tao na to ngayon. The Magician. Yeah, the Page of Cups. Pwedeng kausap mo to ngayon. Pwedeng kakasimula pa lang ng connection, I think. This person likes you. Let's see. What is their emotion? Aside sa gusto ka talaga. Okay, could be a Virgo. We have here water sign din. The Eight of Cups in reversed. Why? I think some of them, they're stuck. What's with that Eight of Cups? Yeah, the Sun. Oh my gosh. The Sun in reversed. Water signs. This is a channeled message. Some of you, you're using this person. You're using this person para makaalis sa isang sitwasyon mo sa past. You're using them. And hindi nila alam yon. Hindi sila aware. You're sad, I think. And siya yung nagiging escape mo. You're still stuck sa past person mo. Hindi niya alam itong kakonect mo ngayon. They're sad actually. They are sad. Kasi nararamdaman nila na parang bakit hindi nagkakaroon ng improvement kahit ginagawa ko lahat, kahit open na open ako. They are sad. Yeah. The Nine of Wands. Pwedeng hindi rin niya ito sinasabi or ina-open up sa'yo. Okay? Meron itong mga dinaramdam. Meron itong mga itinatago na kung ano man. Some of you, nagkakaroon na to ng trust issue sa'yo. Sa totoo lang. Yeah. The Seven of Coins Universe. Meron bang patutunguhan to? Am I just wasting my time here? Ganun ang naririnig ko sa kanya. Pero yeah, some of them, they're still expecting sa kung anong pwede pang mangyari. Yeah. Nag-i-invest sa'yo yung person, water sign. Okay? Pero yun nga, medyo stuck ka sa past mo. Kung ano man, sabihin nating kung ano man ang meron sa past mo na nakaka-apekto dito sa connection na meron kayo, naapektuhan rin siya. The Lovers. So, this is attachments. Ikaw ang bida rito. Water signs. Ikaw ang bida rito. Some of you, maybe, could be dealing with a fellow water signs. Pero, maraming nakatagong energy, maraming nakatagong emosyon. Sadness, could be sadness. Okay, so yeah. Next, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Let's see. Excuse me. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Emosyon ni person mo this week for you. Emotion ng person na iniisip mo. What is their emotion right now for you? I mean, this week. Who is this? The Queen of Wands, Universe, the okay, the BITCH for some of you could be a kabit. Okay? Specific yon. Tinatanong natin kung sino tong taong to. The Queen of Wands Universe could be a side dish. An option. The Queen of Wands Universe. Tingnan natin. Clarify natin. Yeah, the King of Wands Universe. This is a tagong connection. This is a secret affair, I think. Yeah, the Three of Swords. What? Let's see. What is their emotion? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi ganon ka-okay ang sabihin nating nangyayari sa ngayon. Okay? Some of you, pwedeng yun nga, tago ang connection nyo ng taong to. Pwede mayroon kayong mga ipinapakita sa ibang tao na ganito kami, ganito, ganyan. You're like wearing a mask. Having a facade. Parang ganyan. Meron kayong parang ipinapakita lang sa front. Pero at the back, iba yung story. Let's see. How's their emotion? Eight of Coins Universe. Okay, iba po dito pwedeng hiwalay. Pareho kayong nakabaliktad. Okay. The Eight of Coins Universe and Yeah, and the Eight of Cups. Para tong cycle. It's a cycle. Yeah, death. Seven of Swords. Yeah, and the universe. The world universe. This is a cycle. Told you. No progress at all. Wala tong patutunguhan actually. Okay? Gusto ng tao na kung kayo ay magkahiwalay, gusto niya na makireconnect muli. Pero wala akong nakikitang progress or goal or intention na parang for the future, plans, mga ganyan, wala eh. It's like, okay, magsama lang tayo. Parang ganun lang. It's a cycle, I think. Some of you, talagang alis balik lang kayo. It's not going anywhere. It's not working out. At alam niya yun. Alam mo rin. Okay, a secret affair. This is sneaky affair. Anyway, so ibahin na natin ang energy. So, who else? And their emotion. Okay, may Ace of Cups na naka-reverse dito. So, balik natin. I'm not ready. So, tingnan natin sino ba tong taong to. Sino ito? Earth signs. Para malaman mo yung emotion niya. The Chariot. Could be a Cancerian. Somebody who loves cars. Some of you. Who wants to travel. Mga ganyang bagay. Yeah. The King of Cups. Could be a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. We have here Pisces. Cancerian. Pisces. So, sa tingin ko, itong taong to, talagang unti-unting na-fall sa'yo. They love you. They love you. This person loves you. Andun rin sa action niya. Makikita mo rin sa action niya na gusto ka talaga or talagang genuine yung love. Pero tingnan natin, ano bang emosyon talaga nito by next week? Anong emosyon? Judgment in reverse. Gusto nito na may mangyari ng pagbabago. Okay? Stepping up, leveling up. Yeah, and the Nine of Cups in reverse. Ayun to na mawawala ka sa kanya. Okay, ayun to na mawawala ka sa kanya. See, again, the Ace of Cups. They want this. They want this. Some of them, they're younger. Ayaw nito na mawawala ka sa kanya, Earth signs. Okay? So, kung ano man ang conflict ang meron ngayon, it's like, okay, wala akong pakialam dyan sa conflict na yan. Conflict lang yan. Parang ganun. Yeah, we have here the Queen of Cups. They see somebody na pwedeng ikaw yung gusto niya makasama nga forever. Water sign, we have here Scorpio. So, nakumpleto ang water sign. They're really into you, I think. They love you unconditionally. You're their wish fulfillment. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Okay, so iba sa inyo, could be karmic. Could be a karmic connection. May mga lesson na pwedeng mangyari dito or parang kailangan matutunan. Pero I don't know, the situation may be ang isang dahilan kung bakit parang hindi okay. There's this struggle, conflicts, mga ganyang bagay. Pero yeah, malinaw sa taong to na talagang love ka. Yeah, there is somebody involved. Okay? Anyway, so there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading. Ang inyong reading, ngayong week, para pagdating sa kanilang mga emosyon, para sa'yo. So again, yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na Love Letter, kung meron kayong mga spare time, heaps of free time, diba? Yeah, pwede nyo bisitahin yung ating second channel. So again, thank you. Goodbye.